This photograph captures Saturn as most of us recognize it, a flawless, geometric sphere floating quietly in the dark. From millions of miles away, the rings appear perfectly smooth and static. That serenity depends entirely on the vast distance between our world and the outer solar system. Closer inspection reveals an environment that is anything but peaceful. In the late 1970s, mission control centers began processing the first close-up data from probes sent to bridge that gap. The data revealed a world defined by its hostility, an active cosmic graveyard where gravity and high-velocity debris create a remarkably violent atmosphere. Saturn's elegant silhouette masks some of the most destructive physics in our solar system, turning one of the most beautiful objects in the sky into one of its most dangerous. Saturn is the second largest planet we orbit, a massive sphere of hydrogen and helium with no solid surface to land on. You would plummet through the atmosphere at increasing speeds, sinking into an endless ocean of gas, while winds whip at 1,000 miles per hour. These orange-tinted cloud bands hide extreme conditions. Deeper down, the pressure crushes spacecraft, while continent-sized lightning storms illuminate the internal chaos. Above this crushing atmosphere, the iconic rings present their own form of violence. The smooth bands seen from Earth are actually billions of projectiles. These jagged chunks of ice and rock move at high velocities, capable of obliterating anything they collide with. These rings formed when Saturn's immense gravity shattered its own moons. The planet physically tore these worlds apart, reducing them to a field of fragmented debris. This raw image shows a moon still trapped in a dark gap within the rings. It is an environment of ongoing destruction, where shattered pieces constantly collide and fall into the planet below. The rings are a temporary feature, a frozen memorial of the satellites the planet has destroyed over millions of years. At Saturn's North Pole, scientists have observed a phenomenon that challenges the standard understanding of planetary weather. This enhanced view reveals a stable, six-sided storm structure wider than Earth. It is a perfect hexagon, rotating endlessly at the top of the planet. While natural storms are typically chaotic and circular, this system has remained rigid and geometrically precise for decades. Seeing organized, permanent geometry carved into a violent gas giant creates a sense of profound unease. It is a structure that remains difficult to explain. The moons surrounding Saturn offer a different kind of hostility, shifting from violent physics to eerie chemistry. Titan is the only other world in the system with liquid rivers and lakes, but they are filled with freezing methane. Rain of liquid hydrocarbons falls from a thick, hazy orange sky. Further out lies Enceladus, a moon encased in a frozen crust that hides a massive global subsurface ocean. This image captures geysers erupting from the moon's surface, blasting material from that hidden ocean directly into the vacuum of space. Probes flying through these plumes detected organic molecules, the fundamental chemical building blocks required for life. Alien ecosystems may be thriving right now in the pitch-black, toxic depths of these oceans, evolving in total isolation from the rest of the solar system. Modern data analysis has replaced our old perceptions of Saturn with a much grimmer reality. The rings are a graveyard of dead worlds. The planet is a crushing storm of gas, and its moons harbor environments that are utterly alien to our own. Saturn proves that the universe operates on scales of violence and indifference that humans were never meant to witness. It is a reminder that in the cosmos, beauty and terror are often the same thing. To explore more anomalies and the reality of our universe, subscribe to Mind Frontier. What should we explore next? Let us know.